NAND gate as a universal gate. Now all the gates can be built by using a NAND gate. That's why the NAND gate is known as a universal gate. Now the NAND gate has two or more than two inputs and only one output. So it is most important. So the Boolean expression of this of the NAND gate is A into B bar. That means this NAND gates provides multiplication of the mathematical expression. So it provides the multiple mathematical operation for the given inputs, and its output is complementary. Or you can, so for that we are providing bar here. Already we have seen, we have studied about the truth table of this NAND gate. Now let me see how to convert or how to build another gates by using only NAND gate. So for that you have to keep this idea in your mind. It is most important. Now NOT gate. Before that, whatever your input of any gate, it is fixed, and its output is also fixed, because we have already studied the truth table and symbol of this all gate. So in this case, the output and the inputs remain same. Accordingly, output we can change the circuits, and this circuit is only consist of NAND gate. So first NOT gate, then how to build NOT gate by using this NAND gate. In this condition, the NOT gate has only one output and only one input. So in this NAND gate, one output is there, but the main problem is the NAND gate has two or more than two inputs. So first, this two input is converted into one input for the NOT gate. So here we are terminal A and B are sorted. So your input terminal becomes 1. So what is the Boolean expression for NOT gate is A bar. That means the output of NOT gate, it is a complementary of this input. So already we have put here B is equal to, it is replaced. So what is the truth table Boolean expression becomes A is equal to A bar. So it is very easy. So if you are providing A is equal to 0, then B is also 0, because they are short circuited. So you will get 1 output. If you apply 1, then you will get 0. Now next, AND gate. It is also most important. AND gate has two or more than two inputs and one output. Here we are taking two input type AND gate. So already we have studied, there are four input conditions are possible: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. And already we have seen the Boolean expression A into B. So that means that time we require 0 0 0 1. That is our required output. So it is most important. Already I told you inputs and output for the particular gate remains same. So here A into B, but yes, mathematical operation is present, so there is no problem. But already we have seen when we are giving two inputs, so the output is A into B bar, A into B bar. That means it's complementary. But we require only A into B. So further it can be inverted. Then we will get A into B. So it is very important to make the Boolean expression for the only NOT gates. And the output will be same. So here you can see that first what we require A into B bar. So it is possible. For that we are taking one NAND gate. Apply input A and B. So we will get A into B bar output. Okay, that will be. Now to get this A into B operation, further it is inverted. That means that's why we are using one NAND gate which act as a NOT gate, which converts complementary output of the given input. So further it is Further, this signal is given to this NOT gate, which provides output A into B bar and another bar. So it is most important. If we apply 0 0 here, we will get one output here. Further it is inverted by this gate and we will get 0 output. Now you can put the value and check this condition. You will get same answer. Now third, OR gate. So OR gate, it has also two or more than two input and one output. But the Boolean expression for OR gate is y is equal to A plus B. So first we have to prepare this table. Input remains same 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and the output of this OR gate is 0 1 1 1. That is our requirement. Okay. Then how to convert? How to build this expression? Here there is no problem. You can put A input as well as B, but the main problem is this plus sign, because it indicates the addition mathematical operation for the given input, and we require multiplication of mathematical operation for the given input. Then first, how to convert this plus sign into its equivalent multiple sign, because we require same output which is provided by A plus B. So here already when we are giving two inputs, we will get A into B bar. So A into B bar. So first it is the most important thing, how to convert. So if we convert multiple sign or a plus sign by the multiple sign, one bar is added on this input. That means we require we require this input by the output is the complementary of this input. That means if it is 0, then it will becomes 1. So here that's why I am taking A bar into B bar and whole bar. So it is the most important. Why we require? Because it is whole bar. Multiplication is okay, but here why we are taking this bar? Because we require inverted output. So for that A bar I am taking one NAND gate which acts as a NOT gate. So if we apply A here, then we will get A bar signal. For similarly B bar, Y2 is equal to B bar by using another NAND gate as a NOT gate. Now these two signal Y1 and Y2 applied to the another gate for the multiplication operation. So we will get output Y is equal to A bar into B bar is whole bar. So here you can see when we apply 0 0, Y1 becomes 1, Y2 also becomes 1, and it is inverted 1 into 1, 1, and its complementary is 0. Now just put the value of this A and B in this circuit and you will see the output. Now what about NOR gate? So NOR gate, it is nothing but it is a complementary output of the OR gate. So it is most important. So already we have made this OR gate equation and circuit. Now the output of this OR gate is further inverted by this NOT gate. So here our Boolean expression becomes in terms of multiple sign A bar into B bar whole bar, and it's again require another bar. That means another inversion is required. So you can see just another NOT gate, NAND gate, which act as a NOT gate is connected in the series. So you can see that the output of this OR gate is inverted by this AND gate, and we will get output 1 0 0 0. So it is most exclusive OR gate. The Boolean expression of exclusive OR gate is A into B bar and plus A bar into B. So in this equation you can see that multiple mathematical equation is required and one addition mathematical operation is required. So the main problem is it is very easy to get multiple equation because we are using only NAND gate. That means NAND gate itself indicates a multiple mathematical expression. So if we provide A into B signal, just you can apply the NAND gate, you will get this output. Here also, that means two NAND gate is required to get this A into B bar output and the A bar into B. But the main problem is how to remove this plus sign. And this plus sign can be replaced by this multiple sign. Just put the bar on this equation. Bar, that means we are taking the output, inverted output of this plus sign equation. So it is very easy then. Our equation becomes A into B bar. Another output is required, A bar into B. Then this two signal is applied to the one AND gate for the multiplication of the equation. So here this is the most important thing. How to convert this plus sign equivalent to its multiple sign. Now let me draw the circuit by using this equation. First we require one output require A into B. So here we are taking one AND gate which provides Y1 output. That means for this equation we require A. So just directly we can apply the A signal, input signal to this gate. Now here it is require B bar. That means it's require a complementary output of the B. B bar, that means the output, complementary output of the B. So here we are using NOT gate to convert your input signal, or you can say that complementary of this input signal we can use this here NOT gate. And here remember this NAND gate is act as a NOT gate. So already we have seen how to convert NAND gate into NOT gate. So here we are providing one NOT gate which is connected to the B input. So for here you can get this equation. Now similarly another output is required who require input A bar into B. So here we are using another NAND gate as a NOT gate to convert your A output into A bar. So here A input is given to this NOT gate or NAND gate, and we will get A bar here output. B is directly given because B is directly given, so we will get Y2 output. Now we will get Y1 and Y2. Now so here this is, and both are available. Now this add, or now this multiply to multiply. So for that we are using this NAND gate which provides multiple operation to this two equation Y1 and Y2, but we also require bar. So already we have seen the output of this NAND gate is bar. So here you will get the output. So it is most important. Here let me see, when we apply A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. So A1 0, B1 becomes 1. So Y output is 1. Now similarly A2, here A2 it is 1 because it is inverted by this NAND gate. B2 is 0, we will get 1. So here we get Y1 is equal to 1, Y2 is equal to 1. Now 1 into 1, 1, but it's bar, that means it is converted into 0. So you will get 0 input. Now you can check, put the value of 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 and see the output. So that time you will get this output, and this output, this is a output of XOR gate. Now same XNOR gate. So already we have studied the output of this XOR gate. It is a the output of this XNOR gate is a complementary of the XOR output. Already we have built the circuit for the XOR gate. Now still it is required to convert it. It is required to further convert it. That means to get this output of XNOR, it is a complementary of output XOR gate. So here we are adding another NAND gate which act as a NOT gate to get inverted output. One additional NAND gate is used. The circuit will be same. So here you can see the output of this XOR gate is 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Now it is further inverted by this another NAND gate. So we will get 1, 0, 0, 1. So it